Make over $100 a day, even if you're just starting out. In today's video, I'll reveal my secret tool that allows you to manage multiple accounts on any website, giving you access to high-paying offers. Step 1. Sign up for GoLogin. GoLogin is an anti-detect browser that enables you to create proxies for any website, allowing you to manage multiple accounts across different platforms. You can utilize GoLogin to gain access and earn money. This means that users from countries such as India, Pakistan, the Philippines, Nepal, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, the UAE, and Somalia can reach websites usually restricted to top-tier countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, New Zealand, and Australia. Step 2. Download GoLogin. For Step 2, let's look at a practical example using freecash.pro. While you can earn $100 by completing specific game offers, depending solely on these smaller offers makes it tough to even hit $50 a day on free cash. If you spend weeks or months on low-paying offers, the returns will be minimal unless you employ the beginner-friendly secret method I'm about to share. Many high-paying offers available in Tier 1 countries, like the US and UK, might not be accessible or as profitable in countries such as India, the Philippines, or Russia. Additionally, offers that pay well in the UK may not provide the same returns in the US, New Zealand, or Australia. The secret to earning $100 a day lies in having multiple accounts on the same money-making platforms, like FreeCash, using GoLogin. For example, I've made over £120 on my UK account and $90 on my US account. By setting up multiple accounts with GoLogin, you can earn anywhere from $20 to $50 per account on sites like FreeCash, which adds up to over $100 a day that you can withdraw to your preferred payment method. As an illustration, if you like playing Chaos Cruiser and have already completed the offer on your FreeCash account from your location, you can create a new account from a different location, such as the United States, using GoLogin. This way, you'll find the Chaos Cruiser offer available again, allowing you to earn money a second time. If you were paid only $6 for the offer in your country, accessing it from a location like the US or UK could net you 5 to 10 times that amount. For example, I receive over $80 for the same game on my UK account. Lastly, always remember to use a different email address when creating a new account on the same website, such as FreeCash. Step 3. Log into GoLogin. Step 3 requires you to return to GoLogin.com, where I will guide you on how to create multiple accounts on any website. Once you've set up your account, click the download button located in the top right corner of the GoLogin website. Select the appropriate option for your device, whether it's a smartphone or a computer, and proceed to install the app. After downloading, open the app and log in with the email and password you used during registration. Your dashboard will resemble mine, which includes 3 FreeCash profiles for the US, UK, and New Zealand. It's important to note that GoLogin is not a VPN, and using a VPN can be risky. VPNs may not function consistently and can compromise your personal information. GoLogin operates as an anti-detect browser, creating a server for your computer that makes it seem like you're logging in as a new user from a different location. Step 4. Create multiple profiles. I will now show you how to create multiple profiles using GoLogin. Next, navigate to the Advanced Settings section, where you will enter the FreeCash homepage URL in the Start URL box. Once done, click the Create Profile button to complete your FreeCash Germany profile on GoLogin. You can verify that the proxy is working correctly by clicking Run, which will open a new tab displaying your FreeCash Germany profile in German. By setting up a US or UK free cash profile, you can begin completing high-paying offers, potentially boosting your earnings to over $100 a day. You can repeat this process by creating multiple free cash profiles. To set up an additional profile, you can either follow the same steps or clone an existing profile by clicking on the three dots next to the desired proxy. This will enable you to choose a new country proxy, such as Canada, to create a free cash Canadian proxy. GoLogin allows you to set up and oversee multiple accounts on various earning or affiliate platforms. For instance, if you can't access ClickBank in your country, you can register an account from a country such as the US or UK to start sharing affiliate links. Likewise, if the TikTok Creativity Program is not available in your area, you can use GoLogin to create a new TikTok account from the US to join the program and start earning. Step 5. Test your profiles. To utilize GoLogin for free, remove any extra profiles, keeping only the 3 primary ones, since GoLogin permits 3 complementary browser profiles. To transition to the free plan, navigate to the Settings and Billing Plans section. Scroll down to locate the free plan, which offers 3 profiles without any charges. Click on the Try Free Plan button, and your free plan will be activated as long as you don't create more than 3 profiles. So far, utilizing GoLogin effectively can significantly enhance your ability to earn online by allowing you to create multiple accounts on various earning platforms. By managing your profiles wisely, you can access high-paying offers that may not be available in your country. Remember to keep your profile count to 3 to take advantage of the free plan. Don't forget to check the settings and billing plans to activate your free profile. With these steps, you can maximize your earnings while using GoLogin's capabilities. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. What strategies have you tried or considered to maximize your earnings online? Have you used any particular tools that have made a difference in your journey? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to read them and engage with you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Profitability Plus for more insights, tips, and tricks on boosting your online income. We're here to help you navigate the world of earning money online, so stay tuned for our upcoming content that will guide you toward success. Thank you for watching. Remember, your journey to profitability starts here, and I'm excited to be part of it with you. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.